Okay, in this example, we want to do yet one more real life example of a piecewise function. We see piecewise functions all the time in everyday life. Now, this is a drywall where we're building a wall or building a house or building a roof. This is drywall. Now, the way this is priced, and you can see it says bulk price eligible at the bottom. It costs $19.62 a piece, but if you buy it in bulk, you can buy 34 or more for $14.72 a piece. So let's just round to make it easier. It basically costs $20 per sheet. Okay. But if you can buy 34 or more, the price is reduced to $15 a sheet. Right. So just like we said earlier in previous examples, this is how you're almost encouraged or rewarded by being able to buy purchase items in bulk. Right. Let's look now. Let's look at how this is going to look mathematically. Right. Now remember, we want to take another look at it. It's $20 a piece if you buy individual sheets, but if you can purchase 34 or more, the price reduces down to $15. We're going to round that $14.72 to $15. So now let's look at this one. So from the example of a piecewise function, we want to say f of x would be equal to $20 per sheet if x is less than 34. But it's $15 a piece if x is greater than or equal to 34. So 34 is kind of the cutoff date, the cutoff number. So let's look at this. And I'm gonna give you this example. Just say we want to buy just say we need to purchase 40 sheets of drywall. How much would be saved if we are able to purchase 40 sheets at once versus purchasing two separate orders of, just say, 25 and 15. Okay, so if we could purchase 20 sheets at once, 40 sheets at once, I'm sorry, or we can purchase 25 and 15. So let's look at it. If we can purchase 40 sheets at once for the piecewise functions, we're purchasing more than 34, we're purchasing 40. So we're going to get our price for what? $15 a sheet. So let's go right here. F of 40 is equal to 15 times 40, which would be 600. So that would be, we would be spending $600. Now, with the others, say F of 25, 20 times 25, that would be $500 on that first order. Then the second order would be F of 15, which would be 20 times 15, which would be 300. So in this case, we would spend $500 on the first order and $300 on the second order. So that would be a total of $800. So we can go back and review this, but this is what it looks at. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to say it again. Remember, if you can purchase more than 34 at a time, you get the bulk rate at $15 a piece. But just buying individual sheets up to the number of 34, it costs $20 per sheet. So if we have a project where we need 40 sheets of drywall, we would pay $15 per sheet and 40 sheets. That would give us, make us have to spend $600. That would be the total on that order. But for this same number, 25 plus 15 is equal to 40, we would still have to use, we wouldn't be into the bulk price. So that would be $20 times 25 and 20 times 15. 500 plus 300 will give us 800. So that's just a quick example of the way we actually use piecewise function in a real life settings. And like we said, this is a real ad. Okay, it's when we can see it. 1/2 inch by 4 foot by 10 feet ultralight drywall. All right, and we can see at the bottom where it says bulk price eligible. So this is a real problem, and it's just a good example of the way it's used in everyday life settings.